Hello guys, how are you? Today I'd like to share with you a spring flowers, artificial winter jasmine. This item has a little yellow flowers. It's very lovely. It gives a feeling of beauty and elegance. Also, it's the earliest blossom to say hello to the spring. So for this item, the total height is 126 centimeters and the weight is 176 grams. It's heavy and good quality. For material, the petals is made of polyester and the flower stem is PE with iron wire inside. This flowers has a dignified and beautiful color. It can use for table decorate, home decoration, and office decoration. For this flower's language is forever love, strong vitality, and lofty loneliness. It's strong and brave. There's the pursuit of the good things. It's a symbol of life, vitality, and hope. So for this artificial winter jasmine, do you like it?